Snazzy B. Oh yeah, Snazzy B. Big up yourself, Elder Zeti, Mawe Boss, and Team Restore. It was love at first sight when I met Lioness. Faith Kando. She no know me name, no know where I came from, but she looked into my eyes and said, Snazzy, no leave me. Snazzy, no leave me. It was too late for me to say a word of love. Lioness was already aflame with passion. Lioness, I love you. And she replied, Snazzy, I love you too. Ndoda uve mukuwasha wa maivangu. I told Lioness, me love an official fear, because you made me fall in love at first sight. So I won't leave you, my girlie. Wakandisa rudza pachaunga, neni wanda kusarudza. You and me will be forever. We're bonded like a chain. Bonded like a chain. My cute lassie, you make me happy. Your love to me is like sugar. Others try to find you, they seek you out, but you and me will be forever. Hakuna chinga kiparatanisa, kusia kwa nyadenga, kanavaripo vatonga. We'll be forever. She's always on time, does everything fast, 'cause she doesn't wanna lose me.